Downloading your account data from Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Robinhood website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the app, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Step 3. Access the account data section. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account data or statements. This may be labeled as account information, statements, or documents. Step 4. Request your data. Follow the prompts to request your account data. You may have options to select specific types of data or timeframes. Choose the desired options and submit your request. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive a notification or email with a link to download your account data. Click the link and save the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Robinhood. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.